Hello students, now we will learn about ovary and the ovules inside it and how these ovules are attached to the ovary. So first, ovary. Ovary is the bottom part of carpel which holds ovules. Ovules later get converted into seeds. Now, how these ovules are attached to the ovary? If you see the diagrammatic representation of ovary, this is stigma, style, and ovary. And this is thalamus, this is pedicel. In case of the ovule attachment, we'll draw about the detailed structure of one single ovule. Suppose think that ovule attachment. Ovule means the early stage of seed before fertilization. Typically we draw two integuments, and inside the ovule there will be embryo sac. Now, this attached part of the ovule to the ovary, this is called placenta. And the structure that is attaching placenta to the ovule is called funicle. There are different types of ovaries based on the positions. So, in case of hypogynous flowers, in which ovary is superior, all the remaining floral parts like stamen, petals, sepals are below the gynoecium. Ovary is superior. We represent like this. Next, in case of epigynous flowers, in which all the other floral parts are above gynoecium, ovary is inferior. This is represented like this. In case of perigynous flowers, ovary is half inferior, half superior. Next, other term, placentation. How can we define placentation? Attachment of ovules within the ovary with the help of placenta is called placentation. There are different types of placentations. First one, marginal placentation. Second one, axial placentation. Third one, precentral placentation. Next is basal placentation. First we will start with marginal placentation. In case of marginal placentation, the pods of some fruits are having some ridges to which ovules are attached. For suppose, if you take Fabaceae members like beans, peas, etc. So initially, the green color pods will be like this. Here will be attachment of ovules. Actually, this is complete pod, and the structures to which ovules are attached, these are called ridges. We say ovules are attached on ridges of pods. When this structure is open, we can see attachment like this of the ovules. So we can say the middle one as a ridge. These are somewhat longitudinal, fleshy like structures. So when this is one margin like structure, so it is said as marginal placentation. In which types of plants we can see? Fabaceae members. Next. Second one, examples are citrus, that means nothing but oranges, lemons, etc. China rose. Next, onion, etc. Here, the position of placenta is axial in position, not at the tip. Position of placenta is axial. There is difference between terminal or apical and axial. Terminal means straight at the end of the branch or at the tip position here. Now, axial, position of placenta is axial, and ovules are attached. Ovules are attached to placenta. Placenta is present in many locules of same ovary. Now, what is the meaning of locules? Here we have drawn only one ovule. When we have drawn only one ovule, it means that complete chamber is only one. It means it is monolocular. Locule means the chamber inside the ovary. If there are many chambers, then we say multilocular. If there are two chambers, we say bilocular, trilocular. So locule means chamber inside the ovary. In case of this axial placentation, examples of citrus, chainerose, etc., there are many locules. So we are telling it is multilocular. Each chamber is separated by a septum. The central part, it is having the placenta, to which ovules are separately attached in each chamber. Like this. So this is placenta. So here we can say the citrus, chainerose onion or axial placentation is this type of placentation is seen in multilocular ovary. Axial placentation in multilocular ovary. Third one, free central placentation. Here, placenta is located at central axis position and ovules are attached around it. So if this is thalamus, ovary, here will be the placenta developed into, this is the position of ovules. This is said as the longitudinal section, LS. LS means longitudinal section cutting. Next, ovules are present on central axis. We can say this is as complete placenta coming to transverse section, TS, means horizontal cutting. You can see the ovary like this, placenta like this, and ovules are attached on the placenta. This is placenta. Central axis position placenta. Here ovary is unilocular, means complete, it is only one chamber. Unilocular ovary. Next one, basal placentation. In case of basal placentation, we'll see some different terms also. Example, mustard, cucumber. This is thalamus. This is ovary. Position of placenta is at the base part of the ovary and it gives rise to one single ovule. One single ovule. And this is position of placenta. So basal placentation examples are wheat, maize, etc. Wheat. They are developed from unilocular ovary. Monolocular or unilocular ovary. Here also you can say this is complete one single chamber, but there are two rows of ovules, so unilocular. Axial placentation, multilocular. Next one, parietal placentation. In case of parietal placentation, we see a wrong septum that is called as replum. So in case of mustard, cucumber, we see such types of parietal placentation. But how? In case of mustard, if this is the seed, this is position of placenta, this is position of placenta. That is dividing one single locule into two chamber-like structures. So we see this one as false septum. False septum. This is called as a replum. Here, ovary is one chambered, but because of false septum, ovary becomes to two chambered, means bilocular. But due to replum, ovary becomes bilocular. Ovules develop on inside wall of ovary. So this is in case of mustard. Other example also we can write argemone. Argemone also other example. So three examples under parietal placentation: mustard, cucumber, and argemone. In case of cucumber, how this placenta appears in cucumber? If this is the ovary, section cutting, horizontal or transverse section cutting, placenta starts from peripheral and reaches the central region. Like this. So this complete structure can be placenta. Seeds develop here. We can write placenta starts periphery and reaches central axis. In case of cucumber, and in case of cucumber we see like this. In case of mustard we see replum, that is false septum. Next one, superficial placentation. You see here, ovary has many locules. So ovary is multilocular. Examples we can see in case of lotus. So if this is, there are many chambers like this, and the seeds are developed on inside. So wherever the ovules are attached, there will be the placenta. These are embedded under other outermost covering. So these are different types of placentations. Again I'm telling, marginal placentation, unilocular. Axial placentation, multilocular. Free central placentation, again unilocular. Basal placentation, unilocular. Parietal placentation, it is unilocular, but it appears as bilocular. One chambered I have written. So instead of that we can write unilocular. Next, in superficial placentation, it is multilocular. Example is lotus.